How to manually add a custom token in SafePal. Are you guys facing issues to add manually a custom token in SafePal? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To add manually a custom token in SafePal, open the SafePal application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now go to your wallet home screen, tap on this plus icon. After you click on this plus icon in the top right corner of token list, you scroll down and tap on add custom token. Now choose the correct network like Ethereum or BNB Smart Chain. Then paste the token's contract address. Once you do that, the token name, symbol, and decimal should autofill. If not, you can enter them manually. This info is usually available on trusted sites like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. To add, and your custom tokens will appear in your wallet. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos in this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to manually add a custom token on SafePal application. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.